Hi guys, this is Ash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss table scan, index scan and the index seek. But the question is, which method is applied when you scan the data from the database? Or you fetch the data, you fire a query, you fetch the data from the database, then which method is applied? There are some points, so we can check those points. First, when you fire the query optimizer will check the which index is available on that table. Second one, when you use the column in where clause, then again the SQL optimizer will check whether the index is available on that column or not. Third one, in the join, you use the multiple tables in the join. Again, optimizer will check on which table the index is available. The last one, the size of the table. That's important because if the size of the table is very small, generally the table scan is used. If the size of the table is very large, in that case, index scan or index seek is used. Now, before discussing the table scan, index seek or scan, there are two terms. We should check these two terms, the logical and physical read. When you fire the query the first time, the query fetch the data from the database directly, and that process is called the physical read. After that, the SQL server keeps the data in cache for the same type of query, and subsequent calls fetch the data from the cache, and that process is called the logical read, as you can see in the diagram. And logical read is fetching the data from the cache. So first of all, we check the table scan. What is that? Table scan means when you fire the query on a table, then the system scans the whole table, each and every row of that table. That is called the table scan. There are two conditions. If the size of the table is very small, and query engine can load all data in one go. Second condition, it does not contain any kind of index. So in that case, the SQL server uses table scan methods. So as you can see in the diagram, we have a table that is the ID and product. So this table is not having any kind of index. So when you fire a query to fetch the data from this table, then what happens? Table scan method is applied. How? It scans the records from first record to last records, means beginning to end of the table. So first ID is the 101, and that is matched with the criteria. So it is included in the result sets. Next is the 1010, not included. Next 1003, not included. 1001 keyboard again includes in the result sets. So this is how it reads each and every records of the table. So this is called the table scan. Now we check the table scan with practical. So as you can see, we have a table that is a test. If we check this table, then we have a 7 records. Okay. And set static IO on. This is because we can check the logical and physical read count. Okay. If I execute this one and check message, so I can see table name test, scan count 1, logical read is 1, physical read is 0, because the size of the data is very small. So it in a one go, it will fetch all the records. That's why the logical read is 1. Now, first of all, I have to check whether index is available on this table or not. So for that purpose, we can use a system procedure. That is the SP help index, then table का नाम. So if I execute this statement, so I can see the last statement. The object test does not have any index. So that's why our condition was, in case of the table scan, the size of the table is very small and there is no index on that table. Again, I execute this one and now check the execution plan. So for that purpose, shortcut key is the Control L, or otherwise you can check this one. So Control L. In the last block, you can see that is the table scan. It means for this query, the SQL Server is using the table scan. Now, we will check the index scan and index seek in practical. So now we have a second table, that is the test2. We check the count in this table and there are around 8 lakh records, 800,000 records. So if I check the data in this table, then we have two columns, ID and FName. Okay. Now I check if the index is applied on this table or not. So SP help index, I check this one. So still it says the object test2 does not have any indexes. It means there is no index on this table. Okay. I execute this query. I check the data and statistics. Then logical reads are 2962. These are the basically blocks. There are 8 lakh records, 800,000, and this has been converted into blocks. So this data is coming from the cache because it's a logical reads. Okay. Now I check the execution plan. Control L, and still you can see the last block, it's a table scan because there is no index on that table. So without index, always it uses the table scan methods. Okay. Now I apply the index on this table. Create cluster index, the name of the index, and then on test this table, name of table and column ID. I execute this one, the index created. Now again I check if the index is there or not. Yes, it is there. Now I have the list of the index available on this table. This is the name, ID, and this is the cluster located on the primary ID. Okay. Now I execute this statement, check execution plan. Now this time the last one you can see cluster index scan, because when you fire the query, the SQL optimizer will check whether the index is available on the table. It is there. So this time this will use the cluster index scan. Now if I use some filter, say condition, or where say ID equal to 79999, okay, and execute this statement and again execute plan. So this time it's a cluster index seek. Why? Because I am using the condition, I am using the column and the index is applied on that column. So in that case we are narrowing the result sets. So we are filtering the result. So this time it will use the cluster index seek, and cluster index seek is always faster than the cluster index, and this is the major difference between these. Now we can check how the index scan and index seek works with this diagram. So as you can see the definition, if you are not using the where clause in the query, then it uses the index scan. So as a query you can see select star from employee. There is no where clause. So if we check the diagram, so this diagram, this is the basically B structure. When you create an index, cluster index, then the SQL store the pages in this format. So first of all, this is the root node, then intermediate node and the leaf node. The actual data stay in the leaf nodes. So select star from employee. There is no where condition, no filters. So in that case, but the index is there. So it will scan all the indexes, all the pages. Say page number 1 we have the 1 to 4, page number 2 5 to 8, and page number 3 9 to 12. And the reference are in the intermediate nodes. So in case of the index scan, it will scan the page 1, page 2, page 3, all pages created by the internally by the SQL server. So this is called the index scan. Now, if we talk about the seek, when you use a where clause, it means you want to narrow your result or you want to narrow your filters. So in that case, you can see the query select star from employee where ID equal to 12. Now we check the diagram. So in this diagram you can see ID equal to 12. On the top we have the root node and 1 to 12. So first of all, it will check the 12, where is that, in which node, intermediate node, the 12 exists. The first one, no. The second one, it is there. So it means it will skip these pages, page 1 and page 2, because the references of the page 1 and page 2 are in this intermediate node. So this will skip this node. Then it will check the 12 exists in this range. Yes, it is there. Then it will go directly to the this 12 one. Because the pointer, you can see we have pointer is the reference, and reference is stored in the intermediate node. It means the index seek is faster than the index scan. So this is how index scan and index seek work. Now we can check some points on the difference between the table scan, index scan, and the index seek. So if you want to fetch the data from the table, say 90%, 100%, then you must use the table scan or the index scan. And if you want to fetch the selected data, very few data, then in that case you must use the index seek. Second point, in where clause, when you use some column and you have a index on that column, then system will use the index scan. And if you do not have the index on that column, then system will use the table scan. Third point, index scan is faster than the table scan, and index seek is faster than the index scan. And when you use some condition with the filter, in that case index seek is used, because it takes the system to direct to that data. So guys, this was all about the table scan, index scan, and the index seek. I hope you understood everything. Thanks for watching the video.